Welcome KK Squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. This is going to be a winter Shein haul. Oh my goodness, super excited for this video. I have a lot of stuff. Look here people, look here. You see all of this? 2 bags, 2 boxes. Yeah, I have a lot of stuff to try on, so let's just get right into the fit. First thing first, this is the rib knit solid crop top, a sweater crop top, and it's a long sleeve, but how I wear mine, as you can see, it's really long, but how I wear my sweaters, I wear them like this. This is color yellow, size small. Like I said in all my videos, I am 125 pounds, 5 feet 2 inches. Yeah, size small. All right, so the jeans are also from Shein. It's the Shein Petite flap side pockets cargo jeans. This right here is also a size small. Honestly, I wish I had got it into a medium. They fit, but them too snug. Like, I need to feel more comfortable in my jeans. Like, it too, yeah. And secondly, I don't know, I look more skinnier on camera than I really am in person. Like, I am not this skinny in person. So from here, me say I need a size medium. You must know, like, if she's not that skinny, why she need us, you know? Yeah. Like I said, it has side pockets. I think that's what got my attention. It's light wash. Like I said, it's size small. I wish I had got a medium. So size small is like 4. I am a 5. They don't have 5. They have 4 for size small, 6 for size medium, 8 for large, yeah. But I usually get my jeans from Fashion Nova, and I would buy a 5, but I'm just showing you guys what I got. So I'm just gonna have to put pieces together from the box. This is not exactly how I'll be wearing them out, so that's why you have to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the name right here, and you see how I pair these up, how I dress these up, and so forth. So like I said, this is the jeans. And another thing I like about these jeans is it's not baggy down here, like at the bottom. Yeah, I just don't like how I look extra skinny on camera. And I know I got these thick thighs that saves lives. But anyways, I love the sweater though. Like, it's so comfy. Like, this is giving Florida, that Florida winter. So it's giving Florida winter vibe, you know? And the color, oh my god. All right, there's the yellow. It's nice, I love it. So here's another rib knit sweater. It's the same style, same size, but it's just a different color. This is pink, hot pink, and I just love it. Like, pink is my favorite color. I just can't wait to dress these up. So cute. I think this pink, I feel like this pink goes well with the light wash jeans. I think it does. I mean, this jeans not that bad. Like, you know, the longer you have the jeans on, the more it gets comfy. Or, by the way guys, I think it matches. I even got like a little slippers to go with this sweater. You know me. I think it matches. Like, it's can work. Can work. No. Yeah. They look big. I think I got size 7. No. Yeah. Wait, let me double check. So these are the chain decor slide slippers, and it's a size 7. I usually wear 6.5, but they didn't have the 6.5, so I got the 7, and now I don't think they're gonna fit. They look a little too long. I'm I must see. I'm like, yeah. But on picture, the color looked exact. I don't know, guys. Tell me what you think. I was trying to find something exact. Let me know what you think down below. I ain't gonna lie, they cute though. They're cute. They go well. They fit. Alright, this is another top. This is called the high neck cutout crop. So this one is called the high neck cutout front crop top. Honestly, guys, I wasn't expecting it to be this short. Jesus, I wanna hide my belly. I'm not that young anymore where I just, you know. But it's cute. I'm still gonna rock it, you know. The arms are a little tight. Maybe I should have got a medium. This is the color apricot. As you can see, the sleeves it has this little hole where you push your thumbs through. It can go on. I like it. Anyways, this is it with the jeans. Alright, so with this outfit that I'm wearing, since I'm only trying on what I have right here right now, I also got this zip up puffer coat. It's called the Shein zip up puffer coat. I'm gonna try this on as well. Ooh, I love it. It feels good. It feels squishy and nice. I'm just trying it with this outfit. This is not how I will be wearing it. Oh my gosh, the zipper is stuck. Oh, thank God. Don't do this to me. Don't scare me like that. Jump scared. You know, every state, they have their own accent. So he was like, jump scared. Oh my gosh. Talk to me nice. It even look good with this color, and this is not what I'm planning to wear with this. Listen, I can't wait for you guys to see the looks that are coming, baby. This right here is it. I feel like I'm in a music video, guys. Feel like me doing one of them bow. Remember back in the days, bow or Omarion? I feel like me in one of them music video. Oh, don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. This is, I love it. I love it. The shoes that I have that's gonna go with this, plus my Coach purse, it's puffy puff. It's puff. Like, I feel like, cause you know, I was looking at some of the puffy jackets and they look not puffy. They just look dead and look boring. But this right here, like when I'm shopping on Shein, Fashion Nova, check me. I have to go through the reviews. I have to see how it look on everybody. I have to compare it. Like, all right, it look puffy on that girl here. It look puffy on that girl there. You know, just like I show me puff on the model. Look at them with teeth. People picture from somewhere else, one of the exact item. But they came through with this. But not ask. Let me see how it looks when I close it. I wasn't planning on close. It's so stretchy. Look at it. If it had pockets here, that would be fire. Alright, this one is the puffer vest, color green. This one is sleeveless. This is not a jacket. This is like just a coat. It's not as puffy as the brown one that I just tried. This one is just like, nah, you know, but it fits. I like the length. It's also drawstring. It has the strings and it's cute. Like, I have the shoes to go with this one as well as the brown one. It's puffy, but it's not as puffy as, maybe I don't want the sleeveless to be too puffy. No, I did want it to be a little more puffy. I wish it was more puffy than this, to be honest. Now I'm thinking about it, this would look fire if it was more puffy. I'm still gonna wear this one. I'm still gonna accept it, you know. This is just for fashion. This is not really to keep you warm. And I want something to keep me warm. Because like I said, I got big plans. Big plans. Size small. All my tops are small. The vests, the coats, the sweaters, the crop tops. They're all, everything I bought is size small. Shoes and slippers are between 6.5 and 7. This is the look for this one, and this is not what I will be wearing it with. I'm just trying it on for you guys to see. So yeah, I know guys, flannel season is kind of over just a little bit. This was more for, like, you know, around Thanksgiving time or so. But this is a flap pocket shoulder coat. Your girl is a little too short for this, but I'm still gonna rock it. I'm still gonna wear it. It's size small. This is not what I'm gonna wear it with. Like I tell you guys, I'm gonna put the looks together, baby. But this is the length. It's really long, but I'm gonna make it work. I'm gonna make it work. Guys, let me know what you think. What I have to, I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna wear it with. I could say, what am I gonna wear it with? Just thought about it. Should I just wear it as a dress? Like, dress with boots? No. Alright, so now I am out of the jeans and I'm into this plaid shirt dress. Guys, I think I'm too short for these outfits. I'm not gonna button this. So I posted a Fashion Nova video right before this, a Fashion Nova haul right before this video. So go check that out because I bought some nice burgundy boots to go with this dress. But I was thinking this dress was gonna be shorter because I also bought, I'm gonna show you. I also bought some biker shorts to wear under the dress. But this is the dress, guys. Let me show you guys how it looked on the model versus how it looks on me. I'm not feeling it. Maybe when I do wear it with the boots, it will look a little different, and for the occasion that I'm wearing it for. But it's kind of too long. But they want it to be real short. Like, I don't know, guys. It's too long. I can't wear it at church for Christmas. This is not how it looked on the mannequin. Maybe when I wear my high heel boots. But for right now, no. I just be acting silly, guys. Ignore me. But these biker shorts are giving what they're supposed to give, though. Like, baby, they're real life comfy. Like, come on now. These biker shorts are giving. Like, I'm gonna get some more of these. Alright, so before I show you guys the shoes, not the shoes for this, you have to go to the Fashion Nova haul to see that one, but I have two more shoes right here to show you guys. Oh wait, before I show you the two, I have one more item to show you guys. Alright, this is the last clothing item. This is a night dress. Since this is from Shein, why not show it off? That's how comfy they are. But for this little night dress, I'm loving it. It's cute. This is one of the two that I have. The name of this I have to read off my phone. It's called the Platform Chunky Heeled Faux Suede Sock Boots. This is a size 6.5. And as you can see, I got some green, So damn, it smells like alcohol. Sorry, the scent lick at me. Ooh. And ooh, jump scared. Ooh. I mean, the burgundy boots that I got from Fashion Nova, go check out that haul. I think it's the same length boots, like the heel. And I wore it out. I wore it already, guys. I wore it the same. No, I wore it the night after I did the Fashion Nova haul. I wore it to dinner, but I didn't take pictures because that's not the outfit I wanted to wear it with. But you guys gonna see. But oh my gosh, look at this. It's beautiful. It's beautiful though. Like the green. Me not like I smell it. I forgot breeze out. I'ma try it on. But I'm gonna record it with my phone when I try it on. I'm gonna record it with my phone, yeah. Gonna see how this goes. I love it though. It's just that I'm thinking like, can you walk in this? But guys, go watch my Fashion Nova haul and tell me if it's not the same length heel, because it kind of looked like it, but maybe because this is chunky, it look more extra. Cause the one here chunkier than the next one. Okay, so this one is like some chestnut winter snow boots. The name long. This is, oh, the name is here because this one came separate. This one was shipped separate because you know how on Shein they have the international shipping and you have the quick ship. This one was quick ship because I think it's here in the US. It was here in the US. I don't know, something like that. So that's why it came. Like all my packages came separate, but whoa, this look huge, bro. This is not my size. This cannot be my size. This is a size 7. This is a size 7, but it looks huge. I'm gonna record on my phone, but guys, ooh, it's not giving what it, let me show you the real color. That's the real color. Like the ring light and everything is spoiling it for y'all. These are the details with the fur inside. The back is like this, and you know, this is what it's giving. This is what it's giving. But see, with the light, it looks different. But when you put it up close, but it looks big. I'm scared. Jump scared. Jump scared. I'm gonna try these on and let you guys see it. Excuse the fur off on the floor from trying on these clothes, but guys, I love the way they fit. They are so comfy. Yep, this one is definitely giving what it's supposed to give. Yes sir. All right, KK squad, like I said, I'm gonna leave the names and the link down below for everything that I showed you guys, in case you guys like anything that you saw in this video. Remember to go check out that Fashion Nova haul. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what was your favorite look, what you think goes well with what, and just let me know what you think. Just talk to me in the comment section, guys. I love when you guys talk to me in the comment section. Don't forget to hit that like button and also press the bell for notification when I post videos, please. Thank you for the support, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.